particular lab's really modern. It's got every bit of equipment that you can think of. It's quite big and they've fitted a lot in, so there's like a gym on this site so you can go and do practicals in the gym and then come back into the lab and like write up your results and things. So today we did the 30-second Wingate test.
For me, actually, this is the most useful module that we're doing on this course. It obviously directly translates to working with athletes or sports teams or general clinical populations as well.
665.
We're based in the lab, so we'll have like half an hour at the start and we'll talk through what we're going to do. And then the second half of it, we actually do it, which is a lot different to a lecture where this is a lot more hands-on, it's a lot more unique.
Actually doing the tests quite repeatedly in the lab gives you a lot of confidence that you can then go out and carry those out with athletes as well. Because it builds on not just your academic skills but also your personality skills as well. So doing a lot more than just studying for an exam.
Socially it's really good. You can literally walk anywhere within the space of 20 minutes. You can do pretty much anything here. You can spend your evening sort of walking on the beach and then the following morning get up and do a hike. Or you could spend time in the swimming pool and then come and do a lab session in the afternoon. You can do anything. I can feel it in my voice, like,